So what do y'all think about a 30-30 for your first deer rifle getting into deer hunting for a beginner? I started out with lever action rifles, 35s and 30-30s, and probably killed first 15 to 20 deer I ever killed with the lever action, and iron sights without a scope. So I'm a firm believer too, if you ever want to be really good with a rifle, if you start out with iron sights when you're younger, when your eyes are good, it'll make you a better shot in my opinion. But yeah, good little gun. It's not very heavy, and you can hold it pretty steady, and you can put one in the chamber again if you have to really quick. But I like lever action guns, and I think for a beginner it's a really good gun. You guys tell me what you think in the comments below on what your opinion is on the first deer rifle for somebody. Let's take a closer look. Marlin 336C, 20-inch barrel, holds 6 in the magazine, 1 in the chamber. Loading your 30-30 is easy. Just push on the tip of the bullet, and then on the back of the cartridge, it'll slide right in there. Like I was saying earlier, holds 6 in the magazine and 1 in the chamber. You get ready to get one in the chamber, use your lever, put it back on safety, you're ready to go. Same way when unloading it, start using your lever, empty it out. And you know, in case you lose count, I always just do it a few more times, make double sure that you don't have anything left in there. That's all there is to it. Okay everyone, that's gonna wrap it up. Quick little video on the Marlin 336C 30-30 lever action rifle. Like I said, I cut my teeth on lever action rifles, grew up with them, and I really love them. And I think if you're a beginner in deer hunting, you can't go wrong buying a lever action rifle. And even after that, if you want to get another one, you can pass it on to your kids and your grandkids, and it'll last a lifetime. So I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Like I said, leave me a comment below and tell me what you think. I hope everyone has a great week. God bless each and everybody out there. And this is Trick and L saying so long, everybody, from the Peach State of Georgia.